Hello all. So I just want to show you real short and sweet, just how you can access the reports, just in case you didn't know it was there. It's just a way you can basically see attendance, who showed up to your Zoom session, and also how long they were there in case you had kids join late or jump in and out of the meeting or something like that. So it does it all for you. I just want to make sure you guys can find it. So if you log into your Zoom account online, zoom.us, and then log in with the Google account, go to my account. This is the place, of course, where you set up everything, your meetings, your settings, all that stuff. But down here is reports. And so if you hit usage, what it'll do is it'll give you a date range of where you want to search. So this is basically, this shows my office hours from yesterday. So if I go over here, I can click on the number 5, and this will show me exactly who showed up to my office hours yesterday and exactly what time they showed up. And what's really great is that a couple things. You can just hit this button here, so it kind of just shows only the unique users. So you can easily see who was there for attendance purposes. But what it does is you'll see how everyone's here twice. This is because it shows you who was in the waiting room. So like Kristen Brewster was in my waiting room for 5 seconds, and then I let her in, and then this is her actually in the session. So you see all these little 1 minutes. So it does include the waiting room. So they'll probably have a bunch of ones right in the beginning of your class, and then after that you can see again if they jumped in, they jumped out. So it lets you see everything. And you can export it as an Excel document if you just want to ultimately keep this for your records, which is really, really nice. So that shows you who was there and the time. And then just while we're here on the reports, so again, you can kind of see everything it shows you. You just might need to make it a little bigger. And there's also this setting here under reports for polls. So if you go to reports and then this time you hit meeting, so because when you do a poll in class, you can't see who put what, it's just kind of a temperature of the room, but this actually lets you see who put what in case you need to see that. So what I would do is go to my poll report here and then just search. I didn't do any polls yesterday, but if I just search, let's go back to August when I did a bunch of workshops. And so if I click on this poll report right here, and I just hit like download and I get the Excel, then what it'll do is it'll show me all the people who were in my session and the question I asked and their actual answer that they chose. So that's the way you can see the polls afterwards. All right, so hopefully this helped you access the reports just a little bit.